Guys, before we even get into this video, you already gotta be subscribed. You already gotta be liking this video already. Like, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Like a sign from God? Bro, just subscribe and like. It's free. Anyways, y'all are here for one thing and one thing only. For this chainsaw reaction, bruh. Let's go. Gives me some dark vibes. Huh. Shark Boy having ab. I see you. I see you. This definitely reminds me of what is it? What's that one show? Jujutsu Kaisen. Bro, y'all can't tell me that this does not look like Jujutsu Kaisen. Probably was made by the same studio. Bro, this is Jujutsu Kaisen, but this is the same studio. This is the same studio. And we gotta comment on how clean this looks. This list looks clean. My God. Oh, we got a little freak, bro. We got some freaks in this, bro. What is this? Hold up. The gore. God damn. He fucking that shit up. Oh God. But that's all, bruh. Man, this is not fair, bruh. Let's all go back for a minute, bro. Look at this. Look at this. We already know, bro. Nobody cares about that. Everybody cares about this. And I know y'all hear that music too. Oh my God. We already know this is gonna be a banger. We already know, like, Jujutsu Kaisen was good and all, but like, what's that? Like, we got Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man. Y'all heard of Superman, Batman, but none of y'all have ever heard of Chainsaw Man. That's crazy. Better put some respect on my man's name. I don't even know how the anime is gonna be, but no, it's gonna be a banger. Anyways, peace out. I'm out.